Welcome to Barcelona.
The home of Affiliate World Europe.
I'm Loz, Ruby over here, Juan behind the camera.
No, I'm Pablo.
We have created a video series highlighting the best parts of Barcelona.
We're going to show you the top restaurants, the hottest nightclubs,
The best attractions.
transport, the works.
So follow, comment, rate, subscribe.
Report this ad for spam.
We will retarget you, so we'll come back at you. But in the meantime, add us on Twitter,
Tinder,
Grindr,
Slack.
LinkedIn.
Beautiful.
Look out for our videos, and we look forward to seeing you in Barcelona.
Wow, look at that view.
What a beauty.